Signs a guy likes you. Studies show that approximately 90% of men act the same way when they feel attraction, desire and a special feeling for the other person. That's why it is interesting to note certain signs that we intelligently can interpret. The following is a list of the major signs that means a guy is into you, with which he will say, "I like you a lot." Dominant and protective stance. A man can show you he likes you with his attitude towards yourself and the rest around you. Generally focuses his feet to where you are, highlights his chest and occasionally brings his hands to his waist as saying, "She is mine and no one else comes close." In other words, blocks access of men towards you. His eyes sparkle. It seems that this is one of the signs of attraction only in fairy tales, but in reality, is a direct reaction to the lacrimals of every person. This effect is not controllable, therefore, and if you pay attention, you'll see that his eyes release a special glow. Watches your lips. This is one of the most obvious signs that a man can indeed prove interest for a woman. If you often find that his clueless look or nod is diverted to your mouth, with high security you can believe that you attract him. Try to be friendly and helpful. If you notice when he is with you he's attentive, gentlemanly, strives to give you a detail, then it will be a good sign of sympathy and more. Looking to agree. When a man wants to be more than just a friend, try by all means to be like the image that reflects a woman. In this case, if you like literature, art, etc., he'll surely state that is a fervent fan of your tastes, but let that, although not entirely true, the intention says a lot about his interests. Constantly smiling. Often you will notice that every possible situation he will display you a smile that basically has a clear message, "You make me happy." Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. Thanks for you.